What's up, guys? My name is Jonathan Hurst. I'm the driver of the Mr. Cool E46. This is my 3rd year in Formula Drift, and this is my car build. So let's go ahead and start at the favorite spot everyone asks about the car is why does it pop and bang, or how's it so loud? And we have a Garrett Motion turbo with our Mike Lau racing engine, and we run in Garrett wastegates, and we just have a great tune from Dynasty running through Haltech that's got a bunch of fuel popping through the exhaust and just sitting on the rev limiter for all the fans during qualifying most of the time. Let's talk about what keeps this thing playing on the ground. We have field suspension on all 4 corners. We run a 2-way coilover from them. Obviously, it's great having Odie here in the paddock. He's owns the company, and then we're able to get tips and everything from him on setup. Also, another huge change this year is we run an FDF Race Shop front angle kit, and that's just been a really good change to me. The feel of the car has been amazing, and I think it's been something that's making us successful this year. So as we move on down the line, we have a new tire sponsor this year, Vitor Tires, and they're wrapped around these nice Lightspeed racing wheels that I helped design with Patrick over at Lightspeed. These things have been amazing to work with. They fit my driving style. They're a little bit different tire size than the rest of the field. We got a little bit smaller sidewall in the back, and it's kind of been my preference for driving back in the day when I was on a different tire brand, and I really like this size. So now we're into the office. This is where everything goes down, where the driver takes control. I got an awesome custom Cash Racing NRG steering wheel. Got this carbon Big Duck Club dash right here, Haltech IC7 dash, Willwood handbrake, G4 shifter, and then also RiseFab did all the fabrication, the cage, and then even some of this cool bead roll on my firewall here that's got Cash Racing in it, and all this NRG product and safety gear to keep me in place. As we check out the rear of the car, we have a rear-mounted radiator from CNR Racing. A lot of the pro cars you'll see in the paddock, we run a radiator in the back. It gets us away from having any big collisions in the front, busting the radiator. Also, it gives us a little bit of weight distribution to the back as we want to try and get some weight transferred to the back of these cars and make as much grip as we can. We talked about all the mechanics of the car, but now let's talk about what we see. We have this beautiful HGK Racing carbon Kevlar full body kit. As you've noticed, in the middle of the year, we changed the wrap up, added some blue to it because we got Mr. Cool as our new title sponsor midway through the year here. And we're super excited, pumped to be able to work with such a great brand. And we're looking forward to finishing this season out strong.